Subscribe ngafu na notification. Hello, and how are you? In this session, we are going to program for 30 minutes. So what we're going to do right now, you're going to see how you can generate fake data, and then we see how we can do some logics, such as anyway, the system that you're doing a system for subscription where you can have different users who can subscribe monthly, so they'll be paying a certain amount of money. So we want us to be able to know that which user has paid a certain money, a certain month, and have they do they have any overdues? Can the system manage to remain the owners? Whether there's a user who has paid a certain month, has paid a month and has not paid a certain month. So literally, that's what you're going to do. So we're going to do this for 30 minutes only, and then we call it a day. So right now, what you're going to do, we're going to right now what we're going to do, we are going to say how we generate the data and using Faker, Laravel Faker. So Laravel Faker, we use it to generate different kind of what? Kind of data, fake data. So this is how you implement Faker in Laravel. And then after, so I'm going to come to our table and try to get the parameters that we need in our project for users. So I'll come to our news project, it is here, and then look for the users. I think we're using admin users, and then copy the columns that you need to collect, and then after come here and block commenting. I just need to do here some block commenting and paste there the columns that we need to generate. So let's see, we need the username. So username here, we're going to loop here and we will get here, for example, we're going to loop here and maybe make like 100 users. So you can just simply come here and say for each, and then you say sorry, not for each, just for, and then you say x equals to 0, x is less than 100, x plus plus, and then after we're going to loop here, and then each loop we're going to be creating a new user. You can say equals to new user like this, or new administrator. That's the model that we're using. And then after doing that, we're going to go ahead and do what, and generate these parameters. For example, we're going to have a username. So username here, we can say then you get our faker, and then you say unique, you can say maybe email. Okay, so to get for us here fake email. And then after, we go ahead and generate password. So password can be u to password hash. Remember, I have to hash this password hash, and then we pass 4321, and then you put default password, default, the algorithm, like this. What else? We need also the name. So the name we can do again faker, and then say name, put here name like this. and then after avatar we can leave it. Then we come to remember token, you don't need that, and this one don't need it, we only need these ones only. Maybe we can put maybe the date when someone joined, but we can use the created date. So let us put when someone joined the project. So we can come here and then you say fake date. Let us say maybe we want to fake, let's come and duplicate this guy and then say fake, and then you put date time between. So here it takes two parameters. So you can say maybe start, maybe like so you see it has this first parameter which is called start, and the another one is the end. So going to maybe start like maybe 30 days ago and up to now. So you can pass here. I should start maybe let's say like 2 months ago. So you put here. Let me see the kind of parameters it takes. So this is start date. Okay. So you can put here start date. You can just simply say carbon. So this carbon is the one that you use to it's a complete the it's a complete sorry. Hello? I'm alright, sir. Yes, sir. Not yet, sir. Yes, sir. For me, I was thinking that for my sake, who can be accounting for the other computer, as I told you, as we discussed. So I wanted to start working for it, and also then the man that was asking is yes, sir. I don't know. I don't know. I survived just like a man, but I need it. That's the fact. Yes. Then the other one was for the lady, the girl, our colleague's mine. Eh? Yeah, I was requesting that if you can get for 400. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir.
I'm surprised.
Hey, I'm right. Sorry, guys. All right. Okay. So if I say now, this can give us the date that is right now. So I can simply come and say here now. So if you want like the start date, it can be a start date equals to now, and then you say minus days. Fast wave. Mm, 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 mm.